Steve here, Shen RC, and I got something in today. This is a little blower. This thing's pretty powerful. It's a MF50. I picked this up on Amazon. It was on sale for 30 bucks, so I grabbed it because I always wanted to try one. I'll leave the link for it in the video description below. I don't know if it's still on sale, but I grabbed it when it was. You could use this for a lot of stuff. Blowing off your RC cars before you put them in your real car before you come home. They mess up your car and get it all dirty. You could actually use it for a lot. I'm going to show you real quick at the table. Let's do it. Alright guys, here it is, the box. Take a look at the back. There's some specs on it there. Let's open it up, show you what you get. Let me tilt you down a little bit. Alright, you get instructions, so if you get one, just read that. You get the charge cable, the unit with 4 nozzles. Let's take it out. This is the stock nozzle they give you, but they're easy to take off. You just twist them and pull them like that. Pop it on. You could use it with it off, or any of these. This may give you a little more power than the stock one here. This one also, then this one here is like a wide one. I guess it blows a wider angle like that. But that's what you get. And to turn it on, here's where you charge it. And to turn it on, you just press and hold. And that's power level 3. And then if you press the button again, it goes 2, then 1. On 1 and 2, you press the button, you could let go of it and it stays on. But on power level 3, that's really powerful. You have to hold the button in. When you let off, it auto goes off. But that's 1. That's 2. It's pretty powerful. It's got a blue light in it also. And this is power number 3. You have to hold it down, because if you let go, it will shut off. You can see it's powerful. It dents my skin in, like this brush here. Let's see. Whoa, it's pretty good. So I found a few uses that are really good for RC. It's good for cleaning them off really quick. It ain't gonna work as good as like a air compressor thing, but if you probably could put like a little brush attachment on there somehow, so as you're doing it and you could wipe it with like a brush at the same time, then it would work good. But if you loosen stuff off and you hit it, it works really good for your RCs. But first, let me show you something really good that I like to have this thing for when you're working on RCs. You could take this off and put this sucker on level 1 and just say you're gonna put it, I'll put it right there. Now I'm just putting it close so you guys can see it, but if you have a solder gun and you're soldering something, you know how the smoke always comes in your face like that, and you're like, leave this unit here. You could put it way further away, but I'm just gonna do it so you see it. Put it on 1 and it'll stay there when you're working on your solder job. Remember the smoke you seen before? Now there's nothing. See that? So that's really good. And if I shut it off, you'll see the smoke start coming out. Oh, I put it in high. But anyhow, that's a good thing for this. If you're working on something solder and you don't have an exhaust fan or anything, you can at least blow it away from your face. Now to put this on, you just put it in like that and it clicks in. Alright. Now another thing for it, well, you guys are going to know already, is cleaning your RCs. You could probably use a brush. I'd put this on. I don't know if the attachments, I got to test them out. Probably the one with the long cone will be more powerful, but you could hit your RC cars. Dust them off, get in the wheels, and then when you take your body off, especially this one's clean already, but I'm just showing you guys what it's good for here. Especially when you're out bashing and you come home and you go to put the RCs in your car. You could clean out your bodies. You would do that. Then your RC car would probably have all leaves and sand in it and stuff. Go on it. Hit it all off. And it'll get most of it off, like I said. And if you bring like a little brush with you and you loosen it up like this real quick, then you hit it. It'll work good. You could see the power of it just by this sticker here on the motor. It's really good, and not only that, you could use it around the house and everything. Even if there's like leaves outside a little bit on like your deck or something, you could just hit it with that and it actually blows really hard. It works good. Let me show you something real quick. Let me put this RC car down. We'll put it on level 1 here. And I'll show you with the power. Level 1's like real soft. Level 2. It blows the body real good. And then we'll put it on level 3, and this thing's, it just has power for this little thing. Really good. But anyhow, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. You also got a glimpse of my beauty beetle here. If you want to check these out, like I said, look at the Amazon link. I have nothing to do with it. I just picked it up, so it don't matter to me if you buy it or not. I don't get nothing. It's just something I seen and wanted to get because it was on sale. 30 bucks was a steal. I don't know how much it regularly goes for. You'll have to check it out. It still might be on sale. I don't know. Anyhow, guys, a little powerful blower. Could use it on a lot of stuff. RCs, like I said, when you solder, even around the house. So check it out if you were looking to get one. That's what I was doing, and like I said, it works good as hell, so I'm glad I bought it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time. Later. ShenRC out.